Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, Chris, again, and today we have a 2016 Nissan Pathfinder maintenance light reset. We are going to use these buttons over here: up, down, enter, menu, and back. And we're going to be looking at that screen right there. Go ahead and turn on your car without starting. If you have to push start, go ahead and press it twice. And if you have the key, go ahead and turn it to the second position without your foot on the brake. Now go ahead and let me focus a little bit for you right there. Okay, go ahead and use the menu button. Keep pressing it until you find setting, which is here. Now when you get here, go ahead and use the up and down arrow to go find maintenance. Enter on maintenance, enter on service, and go ahead and press down to reset. Go ahead and press enter on reset, and there it is, guys. Make sure you click that like. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.